Game on. All right.
Whistle, yeah.
Wide left until we see one of them, probably.
Do you want to take the trail left?
Not even the trail, just the woods.
Yeah.
Stay quiet. They don't know we're here. Hey, left. Great, there's movement left. Are you a medic? Do we have a medic? You're a medic? Okay, stay alive. You might be the only one. You might be the only one, so stay alive. I'm tempted to climb.
I know. Alright, downside of tower. I hit one.
Our friendlies are even with us. We need to move. So we have friendlies even with us in ruins. Yeah. Huge. Copy. Heard. Where? No. He's giving you a position.
Got it.
Hey, I'll drag him. We'll drag him.
I'll cover.
Okay, look out on your right. Watch that branch. Covering. Come on. They haven't hit me yet. Somehow.
There's a miracle.
I'm not sure how. They hit my buddy.
They're shooting from the tower. You want me to drag him back?
Yeah, if you can go around the right and get your dad. Don't go down the middle.
Hey,
I'm amazed they didn't hit me. Tower. Balcony of tower.
Yeah, let's get back up and try to get back on it.
Yeah.
Very interesting.
Whew, almost slid. Clear left.
Second floor, Asher?
We need to get inside.
Yeah.
Or out of the open.
Watch top of tower.
Yeah.
Is tower leaning?
It does look
Who's
it.
up? Back out.
You see anything?
They're just on the right side of that door.
Okay.
Oh, like from the back.
Okay.
They're shooting this way.
Yeah. See that?
Get in the way!
I also think there's someone in the building. There's people on the back.
Okay.
I'm watching Asher. We should be good. We got the dead guy right here. Hey, as
Medic! Yo, shoot on the woodpile! That guy was quick.
I can see. Okay, he's up. I can see through a little hole. Hey, we need a medic back here.
No. We need to move. We're getting surrounded.
Well, we surrounded them.
No, I know, but we need to just move. Do we want to go back into the woods or further in? Greg. We need to move. Woods or further in?
There's a guy right here.
I know, we need to move. His back is to his spawn. Killing him won't do anything.
I can see him through a little...
Yeah. I have him pinned if you need to move. Pull back, Greg, pull back.
Yep.
Hey, medic, to me. Let's go.
I've got you.
We're taking back from the wood pile. Just go that way. We need a medic that way.
I got you.
Window. Alright, we need to just move.
Out and back into the woods.
Into the woods? Okay. I'm gonna grab your dad. Okay. We're gonna try and get around.
I want to watch.
Okay.
Hey,
We're getting wrapped. They're behind us. We need to move.
They are?
Yeah, they're coming in. A bunch of people have respawned. There's like 4 over there.
We gotta go.
We gotta go.
Someone good. Come on. We got another medic down over there. Good.
Hey, if we can just get into the tree line. That's blue. Okay.
I'm coming out.
Okay.
That window's too sketchy.
Yep.
Hey, we got a hit up here on your right. Can you see him? Wood pile.
Yeah, they were left side wood pile.
Got reload.
Great. Hey.
Blue.
Ready. There's nothing in that contact over here.
Great. Let's go into the woods and wrap.
All right, but we're gonna have to. You see the DDs flying?
I know. We're gonna have to be fast.
Yeah.
All right. Hey.
Hey, we need a next with us.
No, we don't. No. Okay. We're gonna get way too deep. Hey, we're gonna try and wrap around to the left and push them back. Where? Which way? We're gonna get in deep in the woods and come around.
Over here. Be careful.
I know. We're gonna try and cross. Medic, move. They got him. We'll get him up.
Let me run.
All right.
Yeah, we got somebody else getting here.
Straight into the trees, Gray. Okay.
All right. Ready?
Yeah.
We got you, bud. We got you.
Go. He can't hear you.
Dad. Can we leave him here?
Yeah. Let's wrap.
Okay, cool.
Counterattack.
Yeah, you all enjoy that.
Mm-hmm. We're just gonna stay deep, pick off whatever we can, but we're just trying to be really annoying.
Hey! Wait, who's that? Where'd that come from? Okay, fair enough.
Okay, good shots, by the way. Hey, there's yellow in the woods! I killed one!
I need a medic. You can get me back to that.
I don't know if he was by himself. Good flank. Good flank. You got him. I shot you. Thank you. I'm gonna pull you. I'm gonna pull you. Medic here. You get him up, I'll keep a gun up. Gray, I'm pushing toward field boundary. Meet me. There's another one. Hey, there's another one to our rear. He's wearing reddish brown. Got him. Okay, I killed one over here. We need to get to the field boundary and sweep all of this. Friendly sniper to our 6.
Crossing this is
No, we don't cross this, just stay spread out. And push slowly. Hit! Great, get out. I was gonna say, if they start shooting, get down.
Yeah, I was wondering what to do. Oh, in the tank spot, left or right, behind the tank spot.
Our side or roadside?
Yeah.
Yeah, I see the movement.
Yeah, okay. Hold here, take your knee, we're just gonna scope it out.
You scoping? Hurt. No eyes. Great, I'm set. You move. Eyes. No shot. Keep going around him. Great, go right. Coming to you, Gray. Cross and get out of sight. Graham crossing behind you. Covering. They're at the end of this trail on the left in the reeds, far side. So I didn't have a shot.
No?
There might be some on this Connex box too.
Yeah. Hey, keep it down.
If we can come out behind them, we can light them up. Just watch the reeds when we come out.
This is right side. Keep going past.
This is going to be deep mud right here.
Okay. Move it in the bush, across the road up. You see it?
No.
See, it's moving. He's
Yeah.
on the road. Hey. Dad.
No.
Dad.
Let him push. Don't give it away. He's yelling. Yeah.
Hey, do you want to hit this counter? Alright.
We'll wrap the right side of it.
Yeah.
Okay. Deep swamp, go right. Yep. You have boots on, right? I went swimming over here last week, I don't care. Go. Shooters to the left. Maybe from, hey, coming up from the right, right to left, fast. I just saw them run. They're far. Oh, Jesus. That was shin deep. Oh! Did not expect that. I almost lost my boot. It's bad over here. If you don't want to lose a shoe, don't come this way. Yeah, don't come this way. It's bad. Nope, there it is. That looks more solid than it was. You gonna make it? Step at the base of the trees. Hurt? Okay, copy. Unknown. Right there, in the road. Keep eyes on the road, he just got shot. We just lost one on the road. Keep an eye. Yeah.
Okay, they're on the left side of that berm up there. I saw them this morning. Yeah. I'm dead. I can use the revive.
Medic, if you're able to make it here, we can drag one guy to you.
Can you also down some fire?
Go. Left, left, in the reeds, in the reeds. No eyes.
Blue, blue, blue. Oh, what? Shit. Friendlies, no, we're good. I can't say anything, but... How much do we have? I'm blue.
Blue. Was that you shooting just now?
Friendly fire.
That might have been enemy. This guy's one of us. This guy's one of us.
I am not dead by friendly fire.
Copy. Hey, guns up, guns up. Movement. Yellow, end of the trail, sniper.
I guess I'm dead by friendly fire. You're not dead by friendly fire. Oh, yeah. Anybody can read between the lines, but I'm dead. Let's see the alive. What do we have here?
Contact end of the trail in the woods. I need to move. I'm in a bad spot.
Yeah. Yep. That was great, yeah.
We need to sweep those reeds. Hey, guy in the reeds, check all of that. Somebody was shooting at us.
The wood.
Mm-hmm. Gray, I'm gonna drag you. I'm gonna drag you this way. You ready?
I went shin deep, icy cold water.
Yeah, it doesn't feel great. Almost lost my boot. I need to make sure they're double knotted. Okay, I'm gonna move you down here to this medic.
Yep.
You good up here?
Yeah, I'm
if they rush you?
then I'm gonna be out of ammo.
Okay. Okay, ready? Medic, there's one here for you. One here for you. Mm-hmm. We're clear? Okay, the guy that was dead over here insisted there was enemy somewhere.
Well, we might have gotten there. We might have ran. Push up.
We're medicing. Once we have our crew, we can. We're shooting. There he is. Good stuff. I told you there was someone in there. Dude, very sneaky. Well done.
I still couldn't see you, bro.
That was very well hidden. Great work. I'm glad I insisted we search that more. Nice. Good work. Okay.
I saw that guy move into the bushes. Remember when I was telling you he was in the bushes? Yeah.
Hey, we're making a dumb push.
Okay.
Medic, stay alive. Yep. You ready? Let's just go along the reeds. Yeah, game. That was us. That was us.
Funny that
15
was.
minutes.
I looked over to a guy just sitting there like this because we were all right here.
I'm so glad I insisted you check it. You would have walked right in front of him.
Because I couldn't tell. I couldn't tell how deep it goes.
Yeah.
I couldn't tell how deep it went, but look at it. Look at it right here.
Oh wow, that dropped. He was good. That's a good hide right there.
Just let us shoot at each other.
Yeah. Yeah, he had really good trigger discipline.
Okay. I didn't know that was this, so I looked over and I just saw him just.
By the way, I scanned this like multiple times. Just fine, and I just scanned